Hello everyone, welcome back to Weekend Outing channel. It's really great to be here in India, and right now I'm in Bhiwandi where I'm going to visit few of the places, and this time the vlogs will be different. I'm a little bit nervous because this is the first time I'm going to vlog with my family members. This is the huge entrance once you enter the temple. The door to the entrance just feels like you are entering one of the forts. Before you enter the temple, there is a small passage where there is a history about the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So before you enter, you can just have a look around, read the history, and then go and enter. Now, usually, whenever we travel, it's me and Siddharth who plan the itinerary and go and visit the places. But this time, the trip is being planned with my in-laws, and they are the one who are going to suggest few of the places, and we are just going to have a look around. So this time, I will try my best to share all the good memories and even the experience of visiting the place. Every great legacy begins with strong roots. Here stands Sahaji Raje Bhosle, a warrior, a visionary, and the proud father of a lion. Besides him, Jijau Mata, the iron-wheeled mother whose tales of valor and dharma shaped the heart of a king long before he wore a crown. And then, in the light of destiny, was born Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, not just a ruler, but the dream of Swarajya made flesh. As we walk through this sacred passage, every frame tells a story of Swarajya Sanskar, of fierce education in dharma, justice, and strategy, of the historic oath at Rajeshwar, a boy just 15 pledging freedom for his people. This is not just a history, it's an inspiration. A reminder that with courage and vision, even the impossible bends its knee. The staff members are quite very friendly. The only thing is when you come over here, you cannot take the photographs once you're inside the temple. But it's absolutely fine to record or even take the photos and vlog when you're in the surrounding area. Such a beautiful and marvelous the temple is.
रत्न श्रीपती अष्टप्रधान वेष्टित न्यायालंकार मंडित शस्त्रास्त्र शास्त्र पारंगत राजनीती धुरंधर प्रौढ प्रताप पुरंदर क्षत्रिय कुलावतंस सिंहासनाधीश्वर महाराजाधिराज योगीराज श्रीमंत योगी श्री 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 छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय जय भवानी
Jai Shivaji!
हर हर महादेव.
This idol is of Jijau Mata. She is the mother of our Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. On the fort walls, that is the currency that was being used during a Maharaj time. That currency is also called in Marathi as a nana or a mudra, which used to be as a transaction in those days. Experience में हिशोबाने कसं होतं आहे बाबा?
हे आम्ही आज इकडे जे आलोय मंदिरात छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचं मंदिर आहे. खूप उत्कृष्ट आणि खूप छान आहे. आज प्रत्यक्ष आम्हाला रायगडावर गेल्यासारखं वाटलंय आणि ते फील अक्षरशः खूप आम्हाला अगदी खूप छान वाटलंय. त्यामुळे आज एक प्रकारचा आमच्यामध्ये उत्साह निर्माण झालाय. जय शिवाजी जय भवानी.
Jai Shivaji, Jai Bhavani. Throughout the fort, there's this thing which is being kept, but it's extremely hot, extremely hot. But since this is a temple, you cannot wear any socks or the shoes and come inside.
मी पण स्टार झालो.
मग काय व्हायलाच पाहिजे. I had a wonderful experience visiting this place, and thank you so much for creating such a nice temple for a Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The suggestion and the recommendation, we do get your kids over here so that they can see all the history. Personally, my feeling is instead of you reading the books and getting to know, this is a perfect example to let them know how our history was being formed. Our second spot for today is the Vajreshwari Devi, which is very close to the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj temple. That's the temple, and just at the surroundings you will have a lot of options to buy the flowers and the offerings to give it to the goddesses. This is the entrance. And as you enter, if you see just above here, it is so beautiful. It has one head but the 5 bodies, and it's just fascinating to see all these things.
Meet Chimaji Appa, the Maratha general who led the epic siege of Vasai in the 1730s. Amid a tough battle, he vowed to goddesses Vajreshwari victory in the exchange of a temple in her honor. Legend says that the goddesses showed him a secret path in a dream, and the Marathas succeeded. True to his words, Chimaji built the Vajreshwari temple, a symbol of faith, victory, and legacy.
This is the surrounding area of the temple, another deity, which is the Lord Shiva. There's a dog sitting. I'm always fascinated by the carvings and the detailings on the temple structure. Like, that's the parrot. And it's so beautifully carved. This is my mom, and she just wants to speak a few words. How was her experience while visiting this temple? Yeah, Mama.
मंदिरात जाऊन खूप छान वाटलं आणि देवीची मूर्ती पण खूप छान आहे आणि खूप समाधान वाटलं मंदिरामध्ये येऊन.
Well, that's actually true. That there are 3 goddesses, and when you go and sit inside the temple, it's very peaceful. Now we are heading down to the Ganesh Puri, which is, I guess, it's very close by from this place.
परिसरामध्ये ह्या जमिनीचं एक विशेष असं खास करून आहे की इथे गरम पाण्याचे झरे आहेत. ते गरम पाण्याच्या झऱ्यामुळे या परिसरात गरम पाण्याचे कुंड आहेत आणि याच्यामध्ये सल्फर असल्यामुळे स्किन डिसीज जास्त इथे येतं.
त्याचं नाव पण त्याचं नाव वज्री.
हां, या ठिकाणाचं नाव आहे गणेशपुरी.
पण गणपती बाप्पाचं टेम्पल नाही आहे, हे श्री नित्यानंद
श्री
यांचं
नित्यानंद स्वामी महाराजांचं
मठ आहे.
धनाजी पवार, प्रभाकर शिवलकर आणि चंद्रकांत तिघे जण आले होते.
किती लहान होता तेव्हा तुम्ही?
मी तेव्हा 12-13 वर्षाचा होतो.
I really had a good time visiting all the temples, and we are quite hungry and it's excruciating heat. So we just thought of getting down at Shivneri Dhaba for our lunch today. So that was all about today. I had a good time and I hope you like watching this video.